Hey guys, we're here testing the Himiway D7 with a 1000 watt hub motor putting out 90 Newton meters of torque. It's claimed that it peaks at 1500 watts. The battery is a 20 amp hour LG, 48 volts. Sorry, Samsung. Same thing actually, you know, so not a really big difference. Anything that I know at least. So this bike is equipped with a torque sensor, which means you get the immediate response and feedback from the pedal assist mode. Behind you. Thank you so much. So very responsive bike. Yes, I am. Should we do the river test, guys? I think we should. Let's do the river test, people. No, I don't want to go too deep. That was easy. Let's try it again. We made it to the tree, everybody. And of course, my shoes are wet again. So, can you take a Himiway D7 into a river? I guess the answer is yes. How is it with water? The answer is I don't know. You tell me. Do you think this thing is waterproof? I think it is, people. There you go, boy. That's what I'm talking about. That is a beast. This is a machine, everybody. Oh, that was awesome. The amount of torque this thing puts out. Whew. Oh, that was fun. Oh my God, my feet are freezing. That was cold water. I just hope I don't get any fungus or nothing on my beautiful toes. I need to keep them pretty for the ladies. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. We're not into that. Nothing wrong with it. It's just not for us. Because I don't have enough air pressure in the tires. I don't want to push the bike too much. Because you don't know how the steering is going to hold up. How it behaves when you're having a situation like this. Oh no.